This is the new South African premium starter kit from Young Living. I'm opening this for the first time with you. I literally just peel the plastic off. So let's open the oils kit first. That just slips off like so. And then there's a pretty little ribbon tab here. You open it, and then inside you've got the premium starter kit book, which gives you a little information on each oil and a few ways you could use it and the uses. So that's really cool. And then some info on how to order. And then in the box we've got thieves, frankincense, orange, lemon, citronella, purification, lavender, valor, peppermint, and eucalyptus radiata. Now, another trick of this, if you pull on the little ribbon again, this whole thing pops out, and you'll see little Velcro tabs at the back, like so. You can connect those, and then you have a little kind of standing display. It's pretty cool. Now let's look at the diffuser. So we've got our instructions, nice and easy to use. And in this little box, you'll find your plug. I'm not sure what plug we got. Okay, we've got the South African 2-pin. Nice and easy. And then dewdrop diffuser. And that is your premium starter kit.